Hey everyone, you are on Cubastic channel, this is Ihor, and today we are going to do a lot of challenges. I have heard many times from my acquaintances, relatives and friends the story that they managed to solve 1, 2, 3 and even 4 faces. Honestly, I think that if a person can solve 4 sides, he can solve a whole cube. So these stories inspired me to make a video in which I will combine a lot of challenges with 1 side, 2 or more. Also, I will add some other challenges that I like, and it will be a good addition to this video. The first challenge: solve 5 sides on a regular Rubik's Cube. Let's first scramble the cube and begin. I got this result, 7.11. Since it is impossible to solve 5 sides on a regular cube so that the 6 is scrambled, so we have all sides solved. But we can do something like this: take 1 side off, and we will have 1 scrambled face and 5 solved. The next challenge will be solving of 4 sides. It will be a bit more complicated. Check. Alright, so I solved 4 sides: white, green, yellow and blue. This challenge is complete. I did it in 1947. Slow enough, but let's move on. The next one, 3 faces. It's very interesting and unusual. After all, the other 3 faces must necessarily be scrambled. That's it. Blue side, white and green are solved. Folks, I have one idea, that we can do a few other things with this challenge. So, let me show it to you. In fact, we can solve the cube, then make 1 algorithm, and then we will have 3 solved sides and 3 scrambled. Let's try to do it quickly. So 766 we have solved the white side, green and yellow. Red, blue and orange are scrambled. I did it in 766. Nice. The next challenge, 2 sides. By the way, I must often heard that children solved 2 sides. It's fun enough, let me choose which sides I will solve. I will choose white and yellow, they will be opposite to each other, and let's get started. $7.64. White side and yellow, all the rest are scrambled. The challenge is complete. Let's move on to the next one. It's quite simple. I have to solve 1 side. I think even you can repeat this challenge. So let's get started. Only 1 side. I only need to assemble 1 face. $3.06. For the white side, all the other 5 are scrambled. The next challenge is very similar to the previous one. We need to solve 1 side, but so that all the details are placed correctly. It will already be 1 solved layer. Let's scramble and start. $3.75. 1 layer is completely solved. So let me try to solve some other colors and see if my result changes. So yellow is 6.06. Green 639. Blue 623. 519 red. 567 orange face. Write in the comments how fast you solved each side. Next challenge, to solve edges only. We are not going to deal with the corners. 901. Check. White edges in their place. Yellow too, and on the central layer as well. And now we solve only the corners. It will be like solving a 2x2 cube. So 5 seconds, all the corners are solved. The next challenge will be very difficult to understand. Our task is to put all the parts in their place, but we don't need to put them in such a way that they are oriented as in the solved cube. Well, now I'm going to explain you what I mean. Let's start with the corners. Here we see two corners. They are in their place, but they are oriented wrong. If we start turning them like this with the usual algorithm, the corner fits right. The same goes for the others, and the same thing with the edges. We have them in the places, but they are turned in the wrong directions. I will make so that all the parts are in the proper place, but are not oriented correctly. So 3591. Let's check if I have completed this challenge. Let's start with the white side. All the parts are in their place and oriented incorrectly. Next, the central layer is all in its place, as you can see. And the yellow side also all in the places, but turned the other way. Challenge completed, let's move on to the next one. These are the columns. $12.88. Check. One column is complete. Second, third and fourth. I know several patterns that are very similar to this challenge with columns. My task is to solve the cube and make this pattern. I'm sure it will be faster, so let's start. Scramble the cube and start. So 10.10. You see 4 columns. This is a simple pattern. It is done in 2 moves. And now I'm going to make another pattern, which is a little bit more complicated, but I think I can still do it faster than I did on my first try. $11.10. Very beautiful pattern. We have solved both white and yellow face. And there are these 4 beautiful columns. How do you like this pattern? Write in the comments. And let's move on to the final challenge of this video. I think almost everyone is capable of doing this, so let's get started. The task is to solve the cube using the method of beginners, with which you first solved the Rubik's Cube in your life. I will demonstrate the method I learned to solve, and you can use the one that was your first. I start by solving a daisy. Then my task is to put all the pieces down. Green and orange. Next I put each corner in its place using a sexy move. Here I have... oh, that was wrong. Okay, now orange and blue. 3 sexy moves, green and orange. Next, I put the edges in their place with a simple algorithm. The last edge. Next, I orient edges. Also front and 2 sexy moves. Oh, I got lucky with the edges. I'm rearranging the corners and doing some more sexy moves. and AUF 4780. How do you like it? That was my first method which I used to solve a cube 6 years ago. So it was the last challenge of this video. Offer your challenges with the regular 3x3 cube. I know a few more challenges, but they are not enough for a full separate video, so I'm waiting for your options in the comments. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That was Ihor on Cubastic channel. See you soon and bye.